Hey guys, Joe Smith here. Another tool to show off. It's hydraulic crimping tool model YQK-300. Comes with hydraulic crimping tool plus several different sized dies, or whatever they're called. This was purchased from Amazon. Harbor Freight also has these. Joe Smith thinks he's seen for probably the same price. But to use it, just pull the pin out here and then you slide your dies in, and then push the pin back in, and then make sure this is closed off, and then you have your for like crimping lugs on battery cables and stuff like that, bigger stuff. You go ahead and stick your lug on your battery cable and stick the lug in here, and then you just start squeezing it together, and then the cylinder will come out here and push this die against the cable and lug and the other die, and then when the two of them touch, then that's when you got a proper crimp. But they got sizes on them, so just you gotta figure out, look at the chart to see what die you need, what size for what size cable, battery cable or whatever you're using. But they had this one available, then they had another one that went like even bigger, but Joe Smith didn't figure he's going to be. But then the bigger size one didn't have as small dies. It started out like here or that, and then went up even bigger than these. But Joe Smith figured he's going to be using the smaller ones more than the bigger ones, crimping battery cables for cars and trucks and stuff like that. So but next time Joe Smith needs to crimp a cable, try and do a little video demonstrating it. But it's pretty easy to use. And then you get the crimp as kind of hexagon shape, then because of the shape of the die, so it looks real professional. Looks like it's factory done, and it holds on tight. So before I get into that, Joe Smith just would fill the fitting with solder, melt a bunch of solder in there, and then stick the cable in, and then let it cool, and then do some like heat shrink tubing or electrical tape or that and around the fitting and the cable. Which none of those have ever fallen apart on Joe Smith, but when Joe Smith seen this, he figured that'd be easier way of doing things in the future then. But so thanks for checking out another Joe Smith tool video. So most of you people might not need something like this. You can just, if you're just going to need to put a lug on a cable like once a year or something, then just do what Joe Smith used to do and just melt a bunch of solder into the lug and then stick the cable down in there. After he stripped the insulation back from the cable, of course, and then finish it off with some heat shrink tubing over the cable and lug there. But if you're going to be making a lot of cables and working on vehicles a lot, then this might be something to have around. Or if you're doing like big electrical work or that. Joe Smith forgets how much it was, but somewhere around the $60, $70 range maybe. But just look up hydraulic crimper on Amazon or Harbor Freight website and see what's available if you're interested. But thanks for watching. Joe Smith signing out.